Hi, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will check the good things to do on July 25, 2021 on a Sunday. These are based on the energies on that day, and viewers' discretion is advised. Let us start. Okay, so these are the good activities that you can do on July 25, 2021 on a Sunday. First, it will be a good day for creativity, and it's also a good time to spend more time alone. It's also a good day to do your plans and desires, as the good energies make their chances of success very high on this day. It is also good to obtain assets today on that day. It's also good for girls to interact with their fathers, and for guys, it will be good to interact with their lovers. It's also a good day to deal with financial institutions. It's also a good time and day to have entertainment. It's also good to connect with people different from your status, and it is also a good time to spend on this day. It's also a good day to perform, to speak. It's also a good day for mothers to spend time for their children, and it's also a good time to seek attention. This day is also suitable for activities that can give a win-win situation. This day is also good for marriage, starting construction, or commencing your trips. It is also a good day for business negotiation, especially if you do not have the upper hand. This can be a good day for equality movements and doing equal item distributions. The following words have strong intensity for today: determination, independence, assertive and strong personality, strategic thinking, rare insights and unique viewpoints, solutions provider. Hope you have a good day on July 25, 2021 on a Sunday. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.